Hello and welcome to another episode of Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen. Today we are making a bolo de bolacha, a classic and irresistible Portuguese dessert. Creamy, crunchy, and full of coffee flavor. This is one of those sweet treats that brings back childhood memories and is a must-have at family gatherings. Stay with me to learn how to make this easy and delicious dessert. Bolacha. 2 packs of 35% cream, 1 can of condensed milk, 100 milliliters of coffee, 2 packs of Maria cookies, 1 can of chopped pineapple. Make a cup of coffee. In a bowl, beat the cream until well whipped. Add the condensed milk and continue beating. In a cheesecake pan, place a layer of Maria cookies soaked in coffee. Add a layer of cream on top of the cookies. Sprinkle some chopped pineapple over the cream. Repeat the layers, cookies, cream, and pineapple until all the cream is used. Refrigerate for 8 hours. Remove from the pan and serve chilled. Ready to serve. And that's it. Our bolo de bolacha is ready to serve. Simple, delicious, and perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed this much loved Portuguese recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. If you'd like to see more traditional desserts, leave your suggestions in the comments. See you in the next episode. Faça e coma!